Are you planning to start a YouTube channel and need to create some channel art? Or perhaps you already have a great channel, but you haven't updated your YouTube banner image in a while. One of the most important things to get right is your YouTube banner size. Your banner art will be the first thing people see when they arrive at your YouTube channel. So it's really important to make sure it's very eye-catching and represent your brand well. This gives you the best chance to build an audience and share your content with the world. Yeah guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. Therefore, in this particular video, I'll show you YouTube banner ideas for 2023. Let's take a look at some of the YouTube banner examples from creators within the fashion and beauty categories. First, Nikki Tutorials. Nikki Tutorials is a huge channel with almost 14 million subscribers. The videos feature Nikki, a makeup artist, typically giving makeup tutorials and also testing different products. The banner for the channel does an excellent job for the illustration that it shows Nikki on the center, the focal point of the channel, and various hands reacting and holding different makeup products and utensils. And biggest learning point: get across as much information as you can visually. Next channel is Hotel Live Mode. Hotel Live Mode is a channel that reviews celebrity fashion in an energetic and some satirical way. The banner for this channel is clean and simple, and yet also shows the cheeky personalities of the channel. It's very different to the Nikki's tutorial banner and shows that you don't need huge budget to create banner that is uniquely you. And biggest learning point: showcase your personality. Pretty over 50. It is exactly what it says. And the channel is for the people above 50 who is looking for the skincare, makeup and style tip. It's a small channel which corners around the beauty and fashion section on the YouTube, but still very beautiful. The banner of the channel features some logo and signature pink color that is featured on the most of the video thumbnails. And biggest learning point: make sure your banner shows your brand image or your business image. YouTube has become a great place to get the advice for everything that changed your life, from starting your how-to business and get the makeup tips. Next comes up business. YouTube has become a great place to get advice on everything from how to change your life and how to start a business. There are many business professionals and entrepreneurs that uses the site as a platform to share the best practices and talk about the latest industry trends and even promote the products. Here are some great banner ideas for the business YouTube banners. Creative Mornings. Creative Mornings, a breakfast lecture series that features different professionals in the creative community. The banner for the channel is very simple and achievable for anyone, even if you're just starting out on YouTube. It seems like they have used stock photography for the base of the banner and then included their logo over the top and also linked their social media channels in the bottom corner. Next comes up Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma channel is packed with inspired videos along with the straightforward tips and videos for the entrepreneur types from all backgrounds. The banner is great because it's big and bold. It's almost represent a testimonial. This is an object lesson for the professional brand or personal brand YouTube channels because it leaves you in no doubt whatever as to channel's credentials and credibility. And biggest learning point: don't be afraid to use bold and punchy text, and don't be shy about your credentials. Next comes up Fast Company. It's a diverse channel that covers all different topics from technology to the ethical economics. This banner is at first glance pretty straight flow, but it's also virtually interesting, features a spectrum of colors and geometrical shapes, and it gives potential viewers useful information on the video posting schedule. And biggest learning point: let people know when your videos are out. Lifestyle and vlogging. Lifestyle and vlogging section of YouTube has essentially allowed people to transform their home videos into the multi-million-dollar business. Some of the most popular bloggers like Jo Sugg and her brother Jo Sugg have gone into building business empires and even become celebrities in their own right, featuring on the television shows like The Great Celebrities Bake Off. Let's take a look at some of the YouTube banner ideas from the vlogger style section. Tanner Fox. Tanner Fox is a popular blogger in the early 20s. The channel with the more than 10 million subscribers. This video features various stunts and pranks that are aimed to the loyal fan base of the teenage viewers. The banner for this channel is great because it appeals directly to the target audience with the various stickers like graphics, image of cars, features on the channel, and Tenor himself. And biggest learning point: appeal to your target audience with amazing pictures. Next is Louis Petland. Louis Petland could be classiest mummy vlogger, a category of the lifestyle and vlogging community that focuses on the parenthood and day-to-day way of raising children. This YouTube banner uses bright palette of colors, draw the eyes, and also places the logo font in center, so you know exactly what the channel is all about. And biggest learning point: take advantage of the bright and bold colors and you're good to go. Next come up Refinery, owned by Vice Media. It's a digital media and entertainment brand aimed at young women. The videos on the YouTube channel cover everything from latest in trending fashion to the social experiments and bite-sized documentaries. This YouTube banner reflects this assortment of the content by showcasing short-form videos within the logos. This is a clever way to show people at a glance what the channel is all about. Biggest learning point is think outside of the box and find some ways to showcase your video's content with your banner. Next comes up gaming. Gaming is a big part of YouTube. Think with Google reports that 2 out of the top 5 YouTube channels with the most subscribers worldwide are gaming related. On top of that, 48% of the YouTube gamers, they spend more time watching game videos on YouTube than actually playing games. So it's clear that gaming is a competitive category on YouTube. Here are some cool banner ideas that stand out from the crowd. Vegas Gaming, it's a big channel with 25 million subscribers. With such a large following, there's no need for him to overlay promotional activities with his YouTube banner. Unlike many of the examples we have seen so far, Vanessa Gaming opts for a slick and clean banner that shows a stunning gold version of the usually black and white hue. Here the biggest learning point is never get afraid to try something out of the box. Sometimes it works. Next is Markiplier. It's another massive channel with almost 30 million subscribers. The channel focuses largely on the games but also shows in a couple of general entertainment videos. Despite being a similar channel to the Vanessa Gaming, this YouTube banner is completely different. The banner space here is currently being used to promote the channel's interactive movie in collaboration with YouTube Originals. A heist with Mike Tyler. Here the biggest learning point is use YouTube banner as a promotional opportunity. Next come up Gamer Girl, a YouTube channel featuring gameplay commentary on the popular games like Minecraft and Roblox. What's cool about this banner is that the inspiration from these games shines through. The banner is colorful, cartoonish, and features lots of Easter eggs from the channel that fans will be able to recognize instantly. Next is travel section. Travel videos are popular on YouTube as they are a great way for people to feed their wanderlust when they are stuck at home. Due to the worldwide lockdowns put in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic, it has been dubbed by same as the year of the virtual travel, with YouTube channels like Edinburgh Zoo seeing their view numbers increase from around 1 lakh to 5 million per month. Let's take a look at some inspirational travel YouTube banner examples. The Lodge Guy. The Lodge Guy travel pretty much everywhere, but the channel is also focused around their personal lives and includes a lot of the daily vlogs. Their banner is a great example because it features images from the various travel, but it also clean and clear. The eyes is also instantly drawn to the click here subscribe button. Free button placed in the button right hand corner. This is a useful way to remind people to subscribe when they visit the channel. Biggest learning point is make sure your banner is clean and clear and digestible. Next is Tim Tracker. It's a Disney travel vlog. As you can tell from the banner, this colorful and cartoony banner featuring the Mount Everest ride and Disney castle in the background is bound to appeal the channel's ideal audience the right way. It also includes very useful information like new videos every day at the bottom of the banner, letting viewers know when to expect the latest video, include items that are instantly recognizable, and reflect your channel's content. Hey 19 is a channel that advises in addition to the adventures, and channel definitely delivers what promised, covering everything from simple packing tips to a vlog. This beautiful banner instantly sparks feeling of adventure, giving users the doors of the vendor list they initially visited the channel for. But it also doesn't neglect the practical, informative information such as schedule, social media calendar, how to click. But it also doesn't neglect the practical and important information such as posting schedules, social media links, and reminding users to click the subscribe button. Strike a balance between the amazing visuals and practical information is something that you can learn from. And with that said, you let us know if there's any other category that you would love to create videos on. We would love to describe more information on the same. And thanks for sticking to the last. Bye-bye and happy creation.